Hello to all my friends out there. And one of the ways I save money is I eat all my leftovers. So there is my honey glazed chicken. This is good leftover. I just put it in a pie pan, and here's my leftover tacos. I just heated them with the chicken. And this is my rice, my brown rice, and I'll move this. My brown rice and spaghetti sauce. This is gonna be a good little snack. So, you know, if you eat if you make food that's gonna generate, so it's enough for two. If you eat food that's gonna generate leftovers, you are going to save money. And I have a little barbecue sauce. And I had some leftover cookie dough. And so they didn't bake up really beautiful, but they taste good. So, you know, we'll eat those. And I have some Red Hots, and happy St. Patrick's Day. So, you know, I was cheap, and I said, you know, I'll buy a corned beef when they're on sale after Thanksgiving. And this is some mint tea, and I put sugar and lemon. Let's see how it is. Yeah, that is good. Okay, and now we have my new favorite top ramen soup. I have chicken top ramen soup, and I bought the cheapest one I could find. And so I want a little hot sauce. You gotta try this. And this is about a quarter cup reconstituted lemon. And this is good. So, you know, eating my leftovers is I have some pretty substantial little dirt cheap meals and some nice little snacks. And so I wanted to mention, okay, so what I still have is I have leftover lasagna. I have ham, potatoes. I'm having that tonight. And some kind of frozen vegetables. So as you can see, the stockpile and eating all your leftovers and making dinners that generate leftovers is really going to save money. This is delicious. I'm going to buy a few cases of these. And then these are the oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. And I had Red Hots. So now let me turn this around. It's not putting its best face forward. There you have it, and God bless you all.